Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Everybody joining now.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Screen visible now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Done now, everybody this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we'll do some problems now. In this one, problems are select now. Do this. Hello. Marking these problems, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Eight also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 3 Nana. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mark Nana, these 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, 33. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They're not there here. You are having electric dipole also, no?
Yes, sir.
This is level 1 Nana workbook, everybody. Hello. All these 40 to 44, all 45.
So once can you go back?
Total Nana, 40 to 45, all are there. Level.
Okay, sir.
45, 47, 48. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Twenty-five, 26, 27. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Level 2 Nana this. $38 Nana. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it now. See this one Nana, 47. What do you call? Each of plate 10 into 10 size is given area. Okay. D. So epsilon naught A by D na?
Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes,
convert.
sir.
What is
Yes,
epsilon naught value? 8.85 into 10 power minus 2 minus 12 na?
Yes.
Epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 power minus 12.
Minus
Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Can you do that, everybody?
2. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 power minus 12 means picofarad. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This can be written as pico.
Yes, sir. First off.
Can do it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Roughly, if you take that 9 into 10 power minus 12 also, doesn't matter, very small. Okay. See the 48 between the plates of the capacitor, capacity C. The same material, two parallel plates of the same material and area as the plates of the original are placed. The thickness of each plate is 1/5. The capacitance. See, two parallel plates of same material means those are metal plates only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Normally, what we'll think C equal to, we'll think like this, na? Epsilon naught A by D minus of T1 plus T2 plus two plates, na? T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2. Got it? But he told these are two plates are so K is infinite. Those are metal plates only, na? Between the plates of the capacitor, two plates introduced. Hello. This is D by 5. This is also D by 5. So total separation is this is minus, this is plus. Area of the plates is here. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the meaning of the plates? What do you call the plates? What do you call this? This is the logic. Same material means those are only metal plates. So K is infinity. Then this part will become 0. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then capacity becomes C dash will become
0 by
not A by D minus of what is the separation thickness of each plate is how much, Nana?
D by
1 by 5.
1 D by
A
5.
by-
How many
yes.
plates are there?
2D by
2 plates.
So 1 minus 2 by 5 is how much? 3 by 5.
Yes.
Then directly can I say 5C by 3?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So epsilon naught A by D is C, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
Additional charge given. Rise in potential is 15 volt. So C is how much? Charge added by potential rise, na? Simple, na?
Yes, sir. 4 microfarad.
For nano is numerator, denominator is milli. So it must be micro, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 microfarad, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next. The plates of two parallel plates changed charge to up to 200 volts. Dielectric slab of 4 mm introduced between the plates. Thickness T is given. To maintain the same potential difference between the plates of the capacitor, the distance between them increased by, you see, here potential or what you call distance or what you call capacity, both are same, means Q is equal to C. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If potential is constant, charge must be constant. Na? You are not increasing the charge or decreasing. Na? Got it? Because Q is proportional to V only. La? More is the charge, more is the potential. Na?
Yes, sir.
So V constant means Q also constant. Then C is Q by V ratio also remains constant. Indirectly, he is saying potential constant means V dash equal to V, means this implies C dash equal to C, means nothing but you have to restore the capacity only. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to increase the thickness by T plus T by K, T minus T by K. Hello. We derived it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This only we derived it. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So what is given? Thickness is 4. The separation is increased 3.2. What is dielectric constant? Dielectric slab. So 3.2 millimeter is 4 millimeter common, 1 minus 1 by K. Here 5 times, here 4 times, na 0.8. So 1 by K is 1 by 5. So what happens to K value, Nana? Got it, everybody? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The capacitor, parallel capacitor formed by the plates of area A is this much. Epsilon naught A by D is that much. Okay. With air as the dielectric. Okay.
Yes, sir.
0.0.
Got it, Nano? Now one of the plates is 2A. K equivalent. You have to remember. No. See here. One plate is larger, one plate is smaller. Let us say one plate has an area of cross section A1, another plate has a cross section A2. Separation is D. Air medium is there. Then the capacity is epsilon naught A2 by D. Always take the plate of a smaller area only. So this will be active. But that much area only, what do you call here? We have to. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So always you have to pick up the area of the plate which is
Small.
Now I think you can solve it now.
Yes, sir.
So A is epsilon naught A by D is 0.2. So one of the plate 2A doesn't matter for A is only taken. But completely filled with K na?
Yes.
sir.
Into 2. Then it will become 0.04.
0.4.
4.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The radius of the circular plates between the plates are now not square or rectangular plates. You taken the two
Yes.
parallel plates as circular plates. Radius of there is a what you call air as the dielectric. The distance between the plates of the capacitance is equal to found to the that of isolated sphere of radius r is. So then what is the separation between them? Have two circular plates here. Separation between them is how much, which has a radius, such that the capacity of the system is equal to what do you call the radius of a sphere of radius. So these two capacities are equal. Okay. Then C1 must be equal to C2. What is C1? Epsilon naught A. Area how much ra plate? These are which plates ra?
Circular.
Circular plate.
Pi r square by d equal to capacity of a spherical capacitor. You will learn na 4 pi epsilon naught r only na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Epsilon naught pi will cancel. Then d will be r square by 4r dash only na.
Yes, sir.
Understood na?
Yes, sir.
So the parallel plate capacity is numerically equal to that of a isolated single sphere. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood na?
Yes, sir.
This much only na? This also there, 58 na?
Okay.
The capacitor connected to a 10-volt battery. Okay. Collects a charge with air as dielectric and 100 microcoulomb with oil as dielectric. So Q is equal to CV na? Q1 equal to C air into potential. Second term equal to C with medium into V. Same battery na, potential difference will not change na?
Yes, sir.
And remember na, battery representation is one lead will be larger and smaller. Capacitance, both the plates are same area. This is the representation. If you are writing circuit symbol like this is variable capacitor. We can vary the capacitance. Here fixed capacitance. Okay. This is solution battery na?
Yes, sir.
Now. So we'll divide them. Cancel na? C air by C medium. So C air by C medium is K times C air only. Na?
Yes, sir.
Q1 by Q2. So K will become charge with dielectric by charge without dielectric, na? 100 microcoulomb by how much? 40. What is the answer?
2 minus.
Got it now, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat it?
See, battery connected. Okay. Air as dielectric, 40 microcoulomb charge. 100 microcoulomb as charge with oil as dielectric. Dielectric constant is asking. So Q equal to C into V with air. Next time C into C medium. Medium is there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So C air by how much? C medium. What is C medium? Completely filled, na? Oil
Yes,
is
sir.
completely
Oil.
filling. So C dash is Kc, na?
Yes.
That is the concept. Got it, na?
Yes, got it.
Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
No. 59 also I have to do. 59 also there. Dielectric constant of a slab, or what you call, of thickness T given, introduced between the plates is found the distance between the increased by X value given. Dielectric constant. Same thing, na? Can I do it? What is the formula? X equal to T into
T into
1
1 minus 1 by
1
K.
minus 1 by
1 by K.
K.
Can I do it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X by T is how much? 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. K is 3. Should get. Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
The radius of two charged metal spheres, 5 and 10. More radius, more capacity. Less radius, less capacity. Both having same charge of 75 millicoulomb. They are connected by wire. The quantity of charge transferred through the wire is. Okay.
Yes.
Hello. And let us come here. This radius is how much? R1 equal to 5. This is R2 equal to 10. Initially having 75 millicoulomb. This is also having 75 millicoulomb. When these two spheres are connected by wire, means they are connected. There is a possibility of charge transfer by this or any direction. Charge will
Yes.
transfer this. Then till their potentials are equal. See.
Yes, sir.
So potential then means V1 dash must be equal to how much?
V2 dash.
What is actually potential of a sphere KQ by R only? No?
Yes.
This one potential is constant. K is a number. Then Q is proportional to radius only. No?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So they will have here the connected means both will have which one? Same.
Potentials.
So Q1 by Q2, Q1 dash by Q2 dash. Initially 75, 75. He is saying some there is a transfer will happen. Let us see. That's a Q1 dash is equal to R1 by R2 only. Na?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
1:2 only. Na?
Yes, sir.
So Q1 dash is equal to 1/3 of total charge. What is the total charge available initially?
75 coulombs.
75 plus. Both are having na.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Q2 dash will become 2/3 of Q1 plus Q2. 1/3 means this will be 50 millicoulomb. Q2 dash will be how much?
100.
So initially having 75 became 100. This 75 became 50. So the
25
charge
millicoulomb.
that is delta Q transferred, this charge that is transferred is how many ra?
20.
From which one to which one ra?
Q1 to
Smaller
Q2.
one to larger one.
Plus.
Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Understood, everybody? Because why this 5 centimeter sphere only giving charge means check it out, potential is k cube r, smaller radius means more potential. Okay, initial q is cv na. Hello.
Yes,
Hello. That's why charge is transferred from smaller sphere to larger sphere because it has more potential. So by transferring, losing the 25 millicoulomb, its potential will decrease, but that of the second one will increase. They will attain common potential till their potentials are equal. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Understood, everybody? The logic here, everything logic lies here only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
A parallel capacity 5 microfarad is kept battery of 10 volts, battery connected. So capacity given, voltage given. The space between them is filled with a dielectric of constant K. Then the additional charge taken from the battery. So initially what is Q1 equal to C into V na? Finally Q2 equal to C dash into V na?
Yes, sir.
C dash can I say KC into V?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
calculate what is Q1 delta Q extra charge is final minus initial. This much will flow from battery. What is C given? 5 into 10. So 50 microcoulomb. This is 12 into 5 into 10. So how much? 6. So what is the extra charge we got? 550 microcoulomb only. No?
Yes, sir.
That is the additional. Initially only having 50. Now became 600. So it became 600. But the extra charge what it bought from the battery is how much? Final minus initial. Got it now? Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Initially C, finally C dash. Why? Because he introduced dielectric constant of K value how much? 12. That is the criteria. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is important now. The plates between the parallel capacitors being moved away with a velocity v. The plate separation at any instant time is d. Then rate of change of capacity with time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is capacity general formula?
Yes, sir.
Ln not A by 2.
This can be written as not epsilon naught a into d power minus 1. Can I write it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rate of change of capacity means dc by dt only. No?
Yes, sir.
Rate means with respect to the epsilon naught is constant. Area of the plate is not changed. Then d by dt of d power minus 1 only. No? Epsilon naught a into minus 1 into d power minus 1 dt by dt is 1 only. No? D by dt.
yes, sir.
Or you do at last we'll substitute what you call this value as d. First I will take x for our easiness. X power minus 1. No?
Yes, sir.
Then epsilon naught a into minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. Okay, whole into dx by dt now. This is the formula for only x power minus. For x is dx by dt now.
Yes, sir.
Epsilon naught minus 1 by x square. Dx by dt is velocity only na, between the plates are moved away. Hello, rate of change of
Yes.
distance is nothing but velocity. Then minus or plus. Minus indicates capacity will minus in capacity is decreasing. Okay. Epsilon naught, what do you call, A into velocity by x square only, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then epsilon naught A into velocity into 1 by d square. He told x is equal to d. Okay. So this is a dc by dt is proportional to 1 by.
T square.
Understood, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is only for x power minus 1. For x dx by dt, na? Got it, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So why we have taken, because d is already there, that's why we have taken x. At last we substituted x equal to d. Got it, now? Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Done now?
Yes, sir.
Understood now, everybody?
Yes, sir.
A parallel plate capacitor, also called a condenser, has a certain capacity. Right. When 2/3 of the distance between the plates is filled with a dielectric constant, the capacity became 2.25 times dielectric constant. What is thickness? 2/3 of d, na?
D. Yes.
So what is the meaning of that one?
So why is K not 2.25 itself?
Huh?
Why is the dielectric constant not 2.25?
He told, na, clearly. Dielectric constant, he asking that only, and he told the capacitance is found to be 2.25 times initial capacitance, na? How can it
This
take
is the
place?
C prime is equal to K into C.
No. Array, is it completely filled? 2/3 only filled.
Sorry,
How
sir.
can I
Yes.
say C prime is KC, KC prime is KC completely filled? Then only KC, na?
Yes, sir. Got it.
C dash is 2.25. That's what is actually C dash? Epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K. 2.25 can be written as 9/4 na, for our easiness.
Yes, sir.
Now epsilon naught A cancel. Then 4D equal to 9 times D minus T plus T. Can you solve this? What is T given?
2/3 of D.
Solve it, all of you. Hello.
K is equal to 6.
A equal to 6 or 7? No.
6 only.
Six only, na?
Yes.
And everybody got it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any are there here? That's it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Will you try these? You'll ask doubt tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will
Yes,
ask
sir.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Then let us see. Generally, till now we are taking the plus plate is given a charge how much? Plus Q. And the minus plate is given a charge how much? Minus Q. Separation between them is D and potential difference. So Q is equal to CV you are taking na equal and opposite. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So potential difference PD between the plates is how much? V is equal to Q by C na? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
This is normally we doing. Capacitor means by default equal and opposite charge. But what they will do is they will say that one plate is having one charge, another plate is having another charge. Then he will say what is the potential difference. We know till now we know how to do it like both are equal and opposite. One plate is completely plus, one plate is completely how much? Minus. We know about this kind. This is a simple analysis. Got it? But they will say that one plate is here, same identical plate. They are separated by this one. Okay. Then he will say that one plate is given a charge Q1, another plate is given a charge Q2. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
They may be different values. Yes, Q1, Q2 different. He will say that then what is the potential difference between the
Q1 by C minus Q2 by C.
Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. And they are what you call separated some distance D, something like this. Then how to do it is, let us see. As these are metal plates, first I will take the first plate. Okay, I will take a what you call a thick one. This is the one plate. Okay. This is another plate. They are placed very close to each other. And how much you have given to this plate, Nana, charge?
Q1.
Q1.
Automatically what happens, so this is a metal plate, then charge will what you call distribute on both sides na? Normally.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then on this side what happens? Q1 by 2. On this side also how much, Nana?
Q1 by
Q1 by
This is plus, this is also plus. And we have given how much charge to this also?
Q2.
Plus Q2. Then obviously plus
Q2.
Q2 plus Q2. Okay, but these plates are placed very close to each other. Then automatically what happens? Because plus Q1 by 2 is there, and induction will not happen out, which is due to these people only facing charges on induction. This will not participate in induction. This will not participate in induction. Okay, these are very closely placed. Then as it is having plus Q by 2 this one, automatically what happens is what will be induced here?
Minus.
Minus Q1.
minus Q
Outside.
plus Q1 by 2.
If you sum these again, sum will be 0. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as this inner plate is having plus Q1 by 2, it induces in this plate how much? Minus Q1 by 2 on the nearer side. On the farther side, plus Q1 by 2. Got it?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now this person also there, na? Like this is also there. Na?
Yes.
Yes.
This is plus Q2 by 2. This will introduce here minus
Q2 by 2
on the outside.
plus Q2 by 2.
Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, definitely, this will become minus Q2 by 2, or we'll write it here. Minus Q2 by 2 inner surface, outer surface, plus Q2 by 2. Okay? Then, if you observe what is the charge on the inner plate,
Negative.
minus Q2.
Q1 minus Q2 by 2, can I write like that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the charge on this inner surface?
Q2.
Can I common for symmetry minus outside?
Yes, yes.
This is resembling like plus Q, this is resembling like minus Q only, na?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Got it, na? Both are equal and opposite, na? Right. Then you can ask, sir, what the charge on this outer surface is Q1 plus Q2 by 2. We told sum of the charges by 2 on the outer plates, na? We told. Hello. However, as it is a plus charge, it will produce field in between the plates away. This is also plus charge, field is away. What happens to these fields?
Cancel.
Cancel. That's why they are not influencing the space between the plates. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
That's why you should be least bothered about the charges which are present inside or outside.
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 No, very simple. Now, what happens? Q is equal to how much? CV, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So since what is Q stands here?
Q1 minus Q.
Therefore, Q1 minus Q2 whole by 2 is equal to CV. This implies potential difference is equal to Q1 minus Q2 by how much?
Okay, sir.
Where C is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor separated by D. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So equal and opposite is very simple case, but both are given different charges. Then how to do it? This is the way. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood now, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Copy none of this.
Yes.
Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So wait a minute.
Got it, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you done, all of you?
So 1 minute.
Yes.
So outside charges are there in this case, but what is the influence of the charges? Is there any contribution to any potential difference or any electric field? Means when electric field is 0, V equal to ED, E is 0, V also 0, na? So
Yes.
who will only contribute here? The
Inside.
charges on which
Inner
plates
charge.
only? The plates
Inside,
on
sir.
which surfaces?
Inside.
Inner, sir.
That's it. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Done,
Done,
sir.
Nana?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
No. This is one plate. This is another plate. Okay. And then this plate has plus Q. This plate has minus Q. Okay. The capacitor is C. Then the potential difference is V. Therefore, V equal to Q by C. Got it? Hello. Normal. Okay. If an additional charge of plus Q is given to which plate? Then new potential difference is how much? So additional charge of plus Q is given to which plate now?
Positive.
Then you're asking what you call new.
Potential difference.
Right. Now again draw them. Already we are having one plate here. And this is one plate. Okay. You are having inner surface is already having what you call charge how much?
Plus Q by 2.
Plus Q. Already capacitor means by default when equal and opposite inside plates only. Like okay.
Yes.
This is how much?
Minus.
how much now you are giving here to this plate only? Q.
Plus Q.
Then how much will be distributed here? Plus Q by 2 plus Q by 2. Got it?
Yes.
So why can't we take the capital Q by 2 on the inner side?
See, already he told it is a capacitor forming means outside charges is 0. What do you call equal and opposite? And we are, you see, when the charge is there, suppose you are thinking, sir, why not it will happen like this? If you take here also, are you bothered about the charges outside?
No, sir.
Okay, like what you people thought, I will go like that only. Assume, sir, they have taken this is one plate, this is one plate, then Q by 2 here, Q by 2 here, minus Q by 2 here, minus Q by 2. Minus Q by 2 will induce how much here?
Plus Q by 2.
Then outside is 0 only now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Plus Q by 2 will induce here, minus Q by 2. 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the charge here? Plus
Plus
Q.
Q.
What is the charge here?
Minus.
Minus Q.
Simple logic na?
Yes, sir.
Understood na now?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's why we are done all this. That's why directly we are taking plus Q and minus Q. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Now, as plus Q by 2 is here, it will induce how much here?
Minus Q. Minus Q.
Minus Q by 2.
On which surface?
Inner surface.
Inner surface.
Minus. On outer surface.
Plus
Plus
Q.
Q by 2.
Now see this plus Q by 2 plus the outer surface charges are producing equal and opposite field. They will cancel. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then you should be least bothered about them. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the total charge here? Inner surface.
Q plus Q.
Capital Q
Small.
plus small q. What about this person?
Minus Q. Minus
Minus of
Q plus
Q.
small Q.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the charge na.
Yes.
sir.
So Q dash equal to C into V dash na.
Yes.
Because already Q used. So what is Q dash named here? What is the name of Q dash here?
Q plus Q.
Q dash equal to C into V dash. So Q plus
యాక్చువల్గా పవర్ పై
equal
వచ్చేసింది.
to CV dash. Therefore, new potential difference is called new
అస్సలు తగ్గనివ్వదు.
potential
కష్టపడు
difference. V dash
విను.
is equal to Q by C plus.
ఓకే అతను చెప్పే
Then
చెప్తాడు.
can I call V
అతను
plus
పాసిబిలిటీ
Q by
లేనప్పుడు
2?
యూ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why V plus Q by 2 Sira?
V is equal to Q by.
గూగుల్ వాడు
Already he told na. Initial
యూట్యూబ్ లో
potential
ఎవరో
difference
టీచర్స్
is how
ఉంటారు.
much? V.
కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి.
But it na.
స్కోర్ పడనీకుండా చూడు.
Yes.
Understood Nana everybody?
ఈ వీక్ మాత్రం చెప్తున్నాను.
Yes.
కెమిస్ట్రీలో
We can distribute as you said plus Q
165
capital Q by 2 like, but again we will get the same answer na. That's why
అస్సలు
we directly taken
నువ్వు ఎంత
inside is plus Q and
కష్టపడుతున్నావు,
minus
నేను ఎంత
capital.
కష్టపడ్డానో
Got
తెలుసు,
it?
నువ్వు ఎంత కష్టపడుతున్నావో తెలుసు. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
అస్సలు తగ్గనియొద్దు.
Try
కష్టపడు.
those problems
నువ్వు
Nana
వాడి
from workbook.
ఏదో
Tomorrow we'll finish
నీకు
the
తెలుసు
small part
ఏ
of
స్టేజ్ నుంచి
dielectrics
ఇప్పుడు
and
ఏ స్టేజ్ లో
polarization
ఉన్నావు అనేది
small
నీకు
part.
తెలుసు. రైట్?
Theory part will be there most skills. The
దానికి
formulas are there.
రీజన్ ఏంది? నీ హార్డ్ వర్క్.
Okay.
So,
నాది కూడా ఏం లేదు, నీ హార్డ్
Tell
వర్క్.
Nana.
once
నువ్వు
can
దాన్ని
you
తగ్గించుకుంటే
explain
ఇంకా
electric
ఏమవుతావు
potential
చెప్పు,
of
ఆలోచించు.
dielectric, sir? Dipole.
దాన్ని ఇంకా ఇంకా పెంచుకో.
Dipole.
అది నేను చెప్పేది. స్టెప్ బై
It is
స్టెప్
done on
పెంచుకోవాలి.
everybody this
కన్ఫ్యూజన్
page?
ఉండకూడదు. సిన్సియర్ గా
Yes.
పని చేయాలి.
Sir.
1 minute.
It is not done.
మన
Yes,
కోసం
1 minute.
మన సక్సెస్ ని చాలా మంది ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు. నీ సక్సెస్ ని వాడు ఎదురు చూడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Yes,
యాక్చువల్
sir,
చెప్పాలంటే
Done
నేను ఎదురు
Nana.
చూడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Yes, sir.
అవునా?
This one.
బట్ వీఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ యువర్ సక్సెస్.
Done,
ఎక్కడ దాకా
sir.
ఎందుకు? ఇంట్లో మీ నాన్నమ్మ కూడా అడుగుతారా నిన్ను? బాగా యాంగ్జైటీ
everybody.
ఉంటారా? ఉంటారా?
Hello.
నీ రిజల్ట్ కోసం ఎంత మంది వెయిటింగ్.
An
అవునా
equatorial
కదా?
left
Because
take
of
one
నీ
is
సక్సెస్
plus Q,
చూడాలని
another is
వాళ్ళకి
minus Q, separated by distance
చాలా
to 8 is a
ఊళ్ళు
dipole.
వెళ్తున్నారు.
So from center,
అవునా?
this entire line is called equatorial line, ra?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
దానివల్ల
Then if you pick up a point P, then this
ఇద్దరు
point was influenced
అడుగుతుంటారా
by 2
రిజల్ట్ ని?
TP. One is minus Q, another is how much?
ఎవరు బాగా
Plus.
ఎక్కువ అడుగుతారు, ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్
Then
చేస్తారు?
minus the distance is here also D, this also D, na?
Yes.
యాంగ్జైటీగా ఉంటారా మ్యామ్?
Then due to this negative potential minus KQ by R, like plus KQ by R due to this one.
అదే చెప్తున్నాను.
Then sum is 0 no?
దట్ ఫోకసింగ్ రైట్ అంటే
So at any point
కోసం వాళ్ళంతా
x distance,
ఒకసారి
y,
వాళ్ళ
y,
success
z,
వాళ్ళ
z,
hearts
all
అంతా
point,
ఇంకొక
every
వాళ్ళ
point is
life span
symmetric
ఇంకో 5-10
with
years
respect to both the charges na. Then this will cancel and
అంతే కదా.
always
ఆ
become
ఏజ్
so
లో
much.
ఎవరికైనా కావాల్సింది
On which line?
హ్యాపీనెస్.
Equatorial.
ఆ హ్యాపీనెస్ నీ
Equatorial.
రిజల్ట్ లో ఉంది
Equatorial
అనుకున్నప్పుడు
plane
దాన్ని
you can see, the equatorial plane. Big, very big plane. Any point on the plane
మన
will be
ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళ
0.
కోసమే కదా మనం
Okay.
చేస్తున్నాం రైట్.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
మరి ఆ హ్యాపీనెస్ నువ్వు ఇవ్వాలి అంటే
This is which line? Axial
రిజల్ట్
line.
ఇస్తుంది. అది మాత్రం
Yes.
మర్చిపోకు.
This point is P. Always the
Careful
distance
గా
of the
ఉండి
point is
జాగ్రత్తగా
measured from
perfect
with respect to center of the
టైం
dipole
వేస్ట్
is R.
చేసుకుంటే మనకి
But here plus Q is there, minus. Who is near? So plus potential will dominate. Minus
మనం
potential is
కష్టపడుతున్నట్టు మన
smaller
ర్యాంకులోను
because
మన
distance is
మార్కుల్లోను
also
కనపడాలి.
larger. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then again total potential is
మంత్ ఎలా ఉన్నావు
contribution due to this person and
600 కి ఎప్పుడు
contribution
తగ్గావా?
due to this person. As
లేదు.
potential is a
మళ్ళీ డౌన్
scalar,
అవుతున్నాం.
V
ఒక
plus
వీక్
is
620
R
ఒక
minus
వీక్
A.
560 లో 550 లో
KQ by R minus A. V due to minus charge is KQ by R plus A na?
నాట్ ఓన్లీ
Yes.
హ్యూమా నేను కూడా ఎందుకు
That's
అంతే
what we do.
ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడాను తెలుసా మీ మమ్మీ
Then
వాళ్ళతో
total
జనరల్గా
potential is
చెప్తున్నా.
sum of algebraic
Right?
sum
See
of
that
all
type.
potentials. You got it now? He manipulated this one, KP. If A is very much smaller than KP by R square, no?
మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఎందుకంటే నాకు యాక్చువల్ గా ఆ టైంలో క్లాస్ క్యాన్సిల్
Got
చేసి
it, Ra?
Yes, sir. Yes.
నీకు తెలుసు కదా నా బిజీ షెడ్యూల్
No.
ఎప్పుడు క్లాస్
So axial line everybody capable of doing KP by R square.
అయినా సరే
Equatorial line 0. But
అంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మేము నీ
the
మీద
point is
పెడుతున్నాము అంటే
neither axial line nor equatorial line at
నీ
some place.
సక్సెస్
Then
కోసం
what
we
I am
all are
doing
waiting.
that this
Not
is
only
minus
me,
charge,
madam.
this is plus charge, this is
మేడం
axial
కూడా
line, this is
వీక్ 3 మనకి ఎన్ని
equatorial.
వచ్చాయి
Original
ఎలా ఈ
line.
పొజిషన్ లో
Okay.
ఉన్నారు
This original dipole which is in this color, white color,
ఒకటే
this
ఒకటి
point
గుర్తుంచుకో,
is
దానికి
what you
తగ్గట్టు
call
కష్టపడినాము.
the
Time
point
మాత్రం
neither
waste
lying on
చేసుకో.
axial line nor lying on equatorial line. It is
Right. Take care,
somewhere else
huh?
from center having a position vector r bar
Good
making
night.
an angle theta. So this position vector r bar and dipole vector p bar making an angle how much? Theta. Got it? Then what I have done is it is time waste for us. Simply we can do is I divided this vector p bar vector theta touch inside cos component p cos theta and perpendicular to it by sin theta. Check it out. P cos theta, P sin theta. Resultant is P only na?
Yes, sir.
Hello, got it, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Then this point center is O, this point is A. Okay. Now, if you observe, this is P cos theta dipole and this point is lying on axial line only na? For this dipole, P cos theta dipole.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Then on the axial line, what is the formula? Kp by R square only na? Just now we learnt Kp by R square. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
This only ra. But in here in place of P, who is present?
P cos theta.
P cos. And again the same point is on this is axial line for P sin theta. This line is equatorial line for P sin theta dipole only na? Then on the equatorial line 0 na?
Yes, sir.
That is the axial potential due to P cos theta dipole. Equatorial potential due to which dipole? P sin theta. Then P cos theta. Then just we manipulated by dot product. P bar dot R bar by R cube bar P cos theta by R square. If you put theta equal to 0, where the point lies?
On the line.
On the axial line. Then cos 0, 1. That is all we got na earlier formula.
Yes,
The
sir.
point lies on equatorial line. This theta will become
90.
90.
cos 90 0. Everything is 0 only. Na?
Yes.
That's it. Got it, Ra?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Do it, Nana. That workbook problems. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And practice one more time today formulas. You need to remember the epsilon naught A by D completely filled. Then only Kc. Be careful. Next epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K. And later on metal plate is introduced. Completely phase, not with single dielectric. So many dielectrics. Then epsilon naught A divided by D minus T term will become 0. T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 so on. Tn by Kn. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Read those and practice these problems also what you have done already. Okay,
Okay.
Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.